Airfarewatchdog Flight Booking Platform Review. Usage Experience. In this video, we're diving into Airfarewatchdog, a flight booking platform designed to help you find the best deals on airfare. Whether you're planning a vacation or a business trip, this tool aims to save you time and money by offering real-time alerts and a user-friendly interface. Airfarewatchdog is perfect for travelers who want to be notified about price drops and promotions for flights to and from a wide variety of destinations. Unlike typical flight search engines, it specializes in alerting you to the most discounted fares, including hidden deals that might not appear on other platforms. The platform stands out by allowing users to set up custom alerts based on their specific travel preferences. You can filter your search by destination, dates, and even preferred airlines. What makes it even more powerful is its ability to alert you about limited-time promotions, which could be the difference between booking a flight at the best price or missing out. This feature is great for those who have flexible schedules and want to jump on a deal when it pops up. Another standout feature is the curated list of deals we found that Airfarewatchdog posts on its homepage. These deals often include significant discounts on popular routes, and the team behind the platform regularly updates these lists. The platform also covers both domestic and international flights, making it a versatile tool for all types of travelers. For those with specific destinations in mind, Airfarewatchdog's deal alerts can help you stay on top of fare changes, so you never miss an opportunity to save. The website is easy to navigate, with a clean, no-frills interface that's straightforward for both beginners and experienced travelers. However, it doesn't offer the same extensive range of booking options as major travel sites, so it may not be ideal for those looking for additional travel services like hotel booking or car rentals. Overall, Airfarewatchdog is a must-try for those who want to be proactive about finding flight deals. It's simple, effective, and can be a valuable asset in your travel planning toolkit. If you're looking for an intuitive platform to help you score better airfare deals, Airfarewatchdog is definitely worth considering.